Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be DIY project from short to skirt. This is going to be very exciting, guys. My first ever project. So wish me luck. And please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And keep watching. And let's get started. And this is the stuff we need, guys. We have machine, the scissor, and the short that's going to be our skirt. So let's start, guys. Now is ready. So let's start to do it. So now we will start, guys. But be careful your hand if you're using like this. Don't worry for everything because it's already controlled. So you will remove this, you will cut this when you finish to line up here. Okay, so I will cut this later when I finish because I need to put 2 times. I need to use this 2 times. So now the other side is finished already, guys. So we are going to the another side. If you want to make a zigzag, I don't know that much, guys, but I am trying. This machine I have is long time already, almost 1 year with me already, but sometimes only I'm using if I needed to fix my pajama, if I needed to make my own pajama at home, or fixing the holes of the stuff I have. I am using it, but for like this project I didn't try yet, so this is my first and I'm going to learn. Nothing is wrong if you're trying, guys. You failed, but you keep trying. That's the point. You're trying. It doesn't matter, guys, if you fail, but keep trying. If you fail, try and try. it's it's not no problem for the failed. If you have failed, just like a relationship, if you failed in the first relationship, next, try the next. Maybe you're having a luck for the next. Like relationship, if you failed in the first one, wait a while, then your luck will come, and maybe the next is better. Right, now I'm going to cut this so we can clean up. It's almost finished, guys, but I am only, this is the remaining, to cut this piece only to make it cute. And I finished, guys, and I'll show you how it's look. It's very cute, guys. I am very happy that I didn't fail to do it. This is the finish. And this is the real resort. I didn't adjust the waistline, guys. All is fit already for me because this is mine already. Since I got fat, since I got chubby, I always having a big big pantalon. I'm using big size of stuff already, so it's not too fit for me, and not and my belly is not coming out. It's very cute. I didn't touch the back also because I like the style already. I didn't touch the front. It's already a beautiful, and the waistline also. So that's it, guys. I hope you do yours too. Thank you for watching. And that's my first project, guys. So exciting. Do yours too. You can do it, guys. Just try it. Don't afraid to fail. I did it. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye.